Indian dressing room. The two left-handers there, finishing it off for India at the end. Another useful hand from Akshar Patel. And Jadeja once again brilliant with the ball today. Varun Chakravarti played in his place and did a pretty good job. Jones Butler realised that they'll have to get a lot more runs if they have to put pressure on India.
Yeah, it's never easy when you post 300 and you think you're in for a shout, and the opposition batters come out, absolutely give you no chance whatsoever. That man Rohit Sharma, magnificent from him today, incredible century. Shubman Gill as well, superb player.